of matter, right? This is, if I say first is ice. Ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius converts into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Right? Here Q is M into C, specific heat capacity of ice, into delta T. Specific heat capacity of ice is 2.1 joule per gram per degree Celsius, right? And it is coming from 0 minus 10. So it turns to be 0 plus 10, it becomes 10 degrees Celsius. So this is how we can get heat energy required for bringing minus 10 degree ice to 0 degree ice. Now this 0 degree ice converts into 0 degree ice converts into water of 0 degree Celsius. Water at 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius. There is Q is equal to ml. This is latent heat, specific latent heat of fusion of ice that is, the specific latent heat of fusion of ice is 336 joule per gram, right? Now this 0 degree Celsius of water converts into water at T degree Celsius, right? Say 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius. So here is Q is equal to M into C into delta T. Right, so it becomes M. C is 4.2 joule per gram per degree Celsius, and temperature is 100 minus 0 becomes 100 degrees. Becomes 100 degree Celsius. Take this is. Now this 100 degree Celsius of water converts into vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. There is Q is equal to ml. L is here specific latent heat of vaporization of water is equal to 2260 joule per gram. Right, this is specific latent heat of vaporization of water. This converts into Q is equal to ml. So यहाँ पे we will use Q into ml, right? So the whole process is like this. This is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, This is Q4. You get that? This is how we bring change in state of matter. मतलब 0 डिग्री आइस 0 डिग्री वाटर में 0 डिग्री and 0 degree ice 0 degree water में 100 degree when it reaches to 100 degree तो 100 degree water converts into 100 degree water vapor में, right? This is in this case they are absorbing heat, है ना? By तो this is the whole process, and by principle of calorimeter, heat lost by hot object is equal to heat gain by cold object. You get that? This is what we have about change of state of matter. Huh?